I'm Ana Silva with the Boathouse, and I want to welcome you aboard the Sportsman 267 Masters. When it comes to navigating the unique waterways of Southwest Florida, from the shallow grass flats of Pine Island Sound to the back bay of Estero, and the occasional offshore run into the Gulf, you need a boat that can do it all. The Sportsman 267 Masters is built with exactly that in mind, combining shallow draft performance with offshore capability. The 267 Masters is the perfect fit for the Southwest Florida lifestyle. Let's dive into the specs. With a length of 26 feet 7 inches, a beam of 9 feet 2 inches, a generous fuel capacity of 116 gallons, a dry weight of 4,300 pounds, and an incredible draft of 15 inches. Here at the bow, you will find a wide elevated casting deck, giving you a stable platform for sight fishing, pitching a cast net, or working topwater. A 14-gallon live well is integrated with storage lockers that'll hold 6 rods on each side, and deep storage compartments that makes it easy to pack all your fishing gear for your next fishing adventure. This platform is just about 64 inches long. The height from the deck to the gunnel top is 22 inches. It gives you the safety you need, but also makes it very easy to grab your catch out of the water. The distance between the gunnel and the console is just a little over 21 inches. You have plenty of room to be able to move around the boat freely when the bite is hot. Now let's go to the helm. You will find this 267 Masters is equipped with twin Garmin 12-inch GPSs. This is where you'll see the incredible Seakeeper ride stability, sonar, chart plotting, and engine data. Perfectly placed, you have your Yamaha controls for the powerful 450 horsepower Yamaha, accompanied by the autopilot, and a switch for your Atlas jack plate. And on top of it, a Fusion radio accompanied by JL audio sound system. The distance from the helm seat to the console is about 23 inches, which gives you tons of room to move around. Now, these helm seats are so versatile. They are fully adjustable with individual bolsters and armrests, giving you the option to sit comfortably on long runs or lean in while standing during more active fishing sessions. Also, swing them around for even more functionality, and you can rest your feet on a 65-gallon Tundra Yeti. Moving to the rear of the Sportsman 267, this aft deck is designed with the angler in mind. When the seats are folded down, you can get a wide open platform that is 45 inches deep, ideal for working live bait, sight casting, or covering the water with artificial lures. The non-skid deck gives you the confidence to move around freely and to fish from any angle. It is equipped with 2 21-gallon live wells and a large 35-gallon live well, so that you can hold different bait for your fishing adventures. The 2025 Sportsman 267 Masters truly delivers. Whether you're chasing tailing reds on the flats, running offshore for grouper, or just enjoying a full day on the water with family and friends, with an angler-first layout, premium technology, and thoughtful comforts throughout, it's a bay boat that gives you the confidence to fish hard and stay out longer every day. Thank you for coming aboard the Sportsman 267. For more information on Sportsman Boats, please visit us at the Boathouse. I'm Ana Silva. Let's go make some waves together.